Hey, it's Ghost Alex again, and I'm going to show you some more Rubik's Cubes tricks. And this is one of my personal favorites, as along with the other one I'm going to show you. And this one is a different style of checkerboard. And this one is front, back twice, right inverted, down twice, back, right, up, down inverted, right, left inverted, down inverted, front inverted, right twice, down, front twice, and then back inverted. Now remember, the way I did this one was through like my version, so you would have to be doing it as if you were looking at the Rubik's Cube. But as you can see, it gives lots of cool colors. And so let me fix this. Seems as if I just made another checkerboard. Oh, well, let's see, we'll just do that one for this one, and I'll leave my other trick to my next video.